Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. I wanted to hop on and show you a new update that I've just discovered inside my Instagram stories. So I'm going to show you what it can do, and then I'm going to show you how you can do it and how you can use it as a business owner inside of your Instagram account. So as you can see from my Instagram account, all I need to do is go into my stories area. So press the plus button and go to story. And then inside of stories, as you can see, when you hit the bottom of the menu on the left, it's a new feature called Photobooth. So what I'm going to show you now is a couple of examples of what you can do with it. So you go ahead and click what I've already created, and this is an example of what you can do with it. And then there's also another example here. And I'll give you another example here. So some really cool ways to actually utilize this. Now, one of the added bonuses about this is because of it's created in Instagram stories, you can actually download it before you post it to stories and actually use it in your reels, which is something that I'm going to show you how to do at the end of this video. Okay, so how do you actually create one of these videos inside of your Instagram stories? So just before I show you how to use this feature, I just want to introduce myself to you. So hey, my name's Anita Wong. I'm a digital strategist and tech coach. So what I do is I help you to understand how to use the social tools at your fingertips in a way that can make your business strategy work for you. So if that's something that you'd like to learn about, don't forget to hit the subscribe button of this channel and ring the bell if you want notification of the next time I ever upload a video like this one or go live on my channel. Okay, so let's dive into my Instagram account and I'll show you exactly how you can use the new Photobooth feature. So let's just recap how to get into your stories. You can either go to the plus button at the top or you can go to the home key and swipe to the right. So I'm actually using my iPad to do this instruction, and the Instagram app works just as well on your iPad as it does on your iPhone. Unfortunately, I dropped my iPhone a couple of weeks ago and I'm still waiting to get the replacement. Okay, so here we are inside of my Instagram account and I've gone to my stories. What you want to do now is click on the bottom of the left-hand menu and it will bring up this new Photobooth feature. Click on the Photobooth feature, and what it's going to do is it's going to give you the option to take 4 photographs with a 3-second timer in between, and then it's going to mold those photographs together to make a video, and then it's going to give you some filters to enhance that video so that you can post it on your stories. However, I'm going to show you a little trick so that you can save some of the stories that you create using the Photobooth feature so that you can mold them together inside of your reels and create a reels for your business as well. Okay, so I actually quite like to put a filter on mine, so you can still use the filters even with the Photobooth feature. So I'm going to go across and find one of my nice filters that I like using. Okay, I'm just going to tap it to change the filter. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to press the button once and then it's going to give you 4 options to take photographs with a 3 seconds in between them all. So here we go. Okay, so now you can see that it's taken 4 snapshots of me. And then what I need to do now is at the very top of the screen, you can see that there is an icon which has like a little plus. Now, when I press that, what it's going to do is it's going to give you the different filters that it gives you. So at the moment, I'm using the flash one. If I go to the sparkly one, it's going to do a light leak feature. And as you can see, it's making a focus on me and the outside is all blurry. If I go to the next one, it's going to do a film roll feature. And as you can see, it gives you this nice film roll effect. Go along to the next one and it gives you a black and white film roll with a splash of colour, which is quite a nice feature. And then it gives you this photo strip. So it's actually sliding the photos up for you, which is really, really nice. And then it gives you this sort of VHS, really old-fashioned video. So if you're as old as me, you'll know what a VHS video is. So you can choose any of these. Now, what you can do once you're happy with the style, so let me go back to the nice photo leak one, just for this one. So the light leak, you can click the done button. And then what you do before you send it to your stories is you actually download it to your account by clicking the download button. So go ahead and download it and it's going to save that story to your camera roll. And then what you're going to do is you're going to probably create a couple more with a business feel to it. So maybe you're going to show a couple of snapshots of something in the background. So say like over there, I've got that great hashtag. I could actually do 4 hashtag photos as well. And I can download those to my camera roll, and then later on I can actually create a reel from it. So now that I've done this, all I have to do is do exactly the same as what I would normally do on my stories. So I'd go ahead and add my stickers. So maybe I might want to put a new feature. And then I'll just wait for it to come up. So here you go. So let's check this out. And I'm going to put here new video coming. So new video. I'm going to pop that on there. I'm going to tell people to go and check out this video on YouTube as soon as I've uploaded it. So there you can go. I'm going to put a hashtag in because obviously it's a new feature. So I'm going to put hashtag, and then I'm going to shrink that down, and I'm going to put another one as well, just because I want to put the new. Okay, cool. And I'm just going to delete that bit off of there. Then I'm going to shrink it down so it's all one line, make that a little bit small, pop that over there as well. And then it's all ready for me to send to my story. So I go ahead and click send to, and I can send that to my Instagram story. And if you've got your Facebook business page story connected, you can also send it to there. So I'm going to go ahead and share that and click done. Now that's the first part of this video. Now, because you've stuck around, I'm going to actually show you how you can use some of these video features in a reel as well. So what we do now is we go to our home key and we press the plus button. And instead of going to our stories, we scroll over and we go to our reels. Now, because we've already created the videos in our story, we're going to actually upload them from our camera roll into our reels. So what we're going to do first is we're going to grab the camera roll. And as you can see, I've done some earlier. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab this one and I'm going to go add. And then I'm going to grab another one. So let's do this one. And I'm going to go add. And then I'm going to grab another one. Let's do this one, and I'm going to go add, and then I'm going to grab this last one, which is telling us about the new feature, and I'm going to go add. So now what I've done is I've created my reel using 4 of the videos that I've created inside my stories. How cool is that? So I haven't had to recreate anything. I've already got them here. Now, before I go on to the final setting, I want to add a bit of audio to it. So I'm going to find something funky to pop on. So let me just see if I can find something. Okay, let's just try that one. Let me just pop this one on. So I'm going to add that on. So this is just sound. And then I'm going to click done. And I've got this on ready. And I'm going to just go ahead and click next. And I've got this great reel now. So all I need to do now is click share to, because at the end of my reel, don't forget that I popped in the one that has the actual final picture on it. So I'm going to go share to. And then this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cover, and I'm going to choose a cover from my camera roll. And that cover is going to be the cover that I had here. So I'm going to choose one of these. So maybe this one here, like so, and click done. And now I'm going to add my caption. So I'm going to pop here, new, and then I'm going to also add it to my feed because I want people on my feed to know about it as well. Go ahead and tag the product if you want. Click OK. Don't forget to add your hashtags in. So I'm going to add some hashtags in here. So I'm going to put Instagram. And then we can go in and add some more hashtags later. So once you're done, you click OK. And then you go ahead and click share, or you can save it to draft depending on what you want to do. And that's how you create your reel from your stories, new photo booth feature that you've just created. So you get 2 different types of business posts for your Instagram account out of one feature. So as you can see, there's the story that I created using the new photo booth feature. I've also created a reel, which I've saved as a draft so that I can actually add that to my reels after I've uploaded this video to YouTube, so that you can all find it from Instagram as well. How cool is that? Okay, so I told you it was going to be an amazing video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about using the photo booth feature inside of Instagram, then please don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below this video, and I'll certainly answer them as soon as I get notified of your question. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to know more information about how to use Instagram as a business tool and to get rid of all those tech demons and actually come out confident and empowered and ready to roll. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.